So I'm at an open house right now. I noticed that there's some dirty windows. Also noticed that they're double hung windows and realized that there's probably a lot of people who might not know that you can easily clean both sides of double hung windows. So here's what we're gonna look for. Alright, we're taking a look at our kitchen window here. This is a double hung window. So I've got kind of two independent pieces here inside the frame. So to clean this, we're gonna be able to remove that bottom piece. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to unlatch this window just a little bit. So I'm going to unlock this window, and we're just going to take that window, we're just going to slide it open just a little bit. So it's going to open from here. Now we're going to have these pins on the top. There's two different pins right here. We're just going to take those pins, we're going to kind of pop those. I don't know if I can do this one hand. Yep, okay, now I've got that. Now we've got this released, and so you can see as these pins are unlatched, you can actually fold this window down, which will give you access to be able to clean both sides. So I've got some Windex pads here. We're just gonna kind of give those a quick wipe down. Now for the top portion of the window, I'm gonna have to do this one-handed, so we'll see what I can do. I'm kind of holding this bottom. We're basically gonna do the same thing on the top. We're gonna slide that window down, generally to maybe 4 inches from the bottom, I would say. So this piece actually will slide down as well. And actually, if you'll notice, there are going to be those identical tabs kind of on the top. And we can do the same thing with that. That'll fold right down. We can clean that. Now, normally, I've got a sink here, which is kind of obstructing me. Normally, I could actually set this bottom piece window, kind of lay that down, and lay that top piece down as well. And that's how we're going to be able to clean those double hung windows.